Hi, my name is Kurt Myers, and this is my daughter,
Sadie Myers.
and we're here today to talk to you about generators and some of the ways to ensure that your generator is working properly or testing generators. Generators get dirty as they get old, and they don't work as well. Sometimes new generators don't really work that well either. In many cases, you only have that one new generator to try. And what I found is, and through the help of quite a few other collectors, helped through messaging and chats that we've had, and suggested the method that we're going to show you today by replacing the wadding with some bronze wool. And one of those things is being able to do that on your own gives you the ability to ensure that you have a good working generator, which for me anyway, I like my lanterns to run very smooth, quiet, no smell, right? You guys hate when they smell. Drives, especially your mom. She won't even come in here if it smells, will she?
It's so bad.
I know. So in order to have my family participate in this hobby, the lanterns can't smell, and they have to work, right? And they have to work pretty well. Yeah. So what I didn't realize is how much impact of how lanterns run is the generator itself. And so we're going to show you, and again, this is not my idea. This was an idea that somebody provided me or suggested to me that I've tried, and it's worked pretty well for me. And it's using bronze wool as wadding inside of a generator. Anyway, we're gonna switch to a different angle to show you exactly what we're doing. But anyway, thanks for joining us today. Okay, so what we thought we'd do is just bring you closer to the generators to see what we're going to do today. We're actually going to use some bronze wool to create a new piece of wadding in these generators. So this generator here is, I don't know, not the newest style. I don't know exactly what era this came in, but this generator has the cardboard wadding over the spring, and then of course the pricker rod that runs in the center, and then that goes inside the generator tube. This one's a different style where the spring is wrapped with somewhat of a brass mesh, I believe, like a brass screen. Here's the pricker rod, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this generator here. We're going to remove the brass screen. You just unscrew that out. Or you can have that if you want. Maybe make some earrings out of it. What do you think?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Okay. So what we're going to use is this stuff called bronze wool. This is what I got. I bought it on Amazon. Just pull a piece out, unroll it. And what I did was I just line it up to about the size of the spring itself, right? So, you don't have to be scientific about this. So we'll just say, kind of about right there. And then we'll take a cut of the bronze wool with just a regular scissors. Like that. That'll work. Stuff is messy. It makes a lot of dirt. Anyway, so now I'm going to hold this on here. Thanks, Dave. Hold this on here, and it's a little bit, it's close. What we're going to do, we're just going to roll some of the brass on there like that. I don't know. I would say, what, 2 rolls, Sadie? Something like that, maybe. Then we're going to take our scissors again and cut it off. There we go. So now we have this wad. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, lay it on the table, and just rub it and press down. There we go. All right. Now we have this side is sticking out, and this one's obviously covering a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it out. That's all you really have to do. Maybe trim it a little bit. Take a little bit more off there so I can see the spring on either end. There we go. Cut that off. Snip, snip. There we go. So that looks pretty good, right? So I did mostly the whole thing. Now you could certainly try this a couple different ways. You could you know, whatever size or thickness. This worked, so I just kept it. I'm going to take the pricker rod. We're going to put it back up inside the spring. Oh, this is where I probably should use glasses. Or maybe you should do this step.
Do you need me to?
Well, I don't know. I think I got it. And I usually just do a twist as I'm rolling it up so I don't break that tip off the end.
I couldn't see the tip coming out.
Okay.
Well, I saw it come out, but...
There we go. Okay, so there we go. Have this in. Now I'm going to hold this part of the spring with the brass or the bronze wool, and we're going to stick it back inside the generator. And as I stick it in, I'll just do a little bit of a roll. And now hold that spring. There we go. All right, that's it. Put this back in your lantern. And in my experience, I've done 4 of these now, and they work fabulous. So it's real easy to make these. Anyway, that's it.
Yep.
Thank you. Sadie, thanks a lot for helping out. Appreciate it. All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.